Today we're building with a purple motherboard. That's right, Asrock has the LiveMixer Z790 board, which we're building on today. Got that graffiti splash, looks absolutely killer. A 14600K, a 1TB KC3000 drive, 6400 MHz of DDR5 RAM with 32 gigs, and the Montech Sky 2. On top of that, we got the brand new A610 coming in from ID Cooling. We have the Gigabyte 4070 Super going here with the gaming OC, which has 3 RGB ring fans. So we've got all the beautiful aesthetics to match. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. 3, 2, 1. There we go.